guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll stick around for our homeschool journey. My name is Jamie and I'm a homeschool mama of 3 boys. They are 8, 7, and 19 months old. In today's video, I wanted to share with you my classroom tour. So I know I did one of these back in like July, I think, but I probably have changed it 4 or 5 times. And I haven't filmed each change, but I changed it a lot this time and I'm really excited about it, so I want to show you guys my new classroom tour. So this area is mainly for my toddler. Some of it is for us. I have his little cube here that does like all the different little animals and things he likes to play with during our school time. I put this table in here. It's for Play-Doh, it's for painting, and then my toddler wants to be part of school as well. So sometimes I'll put him activities on this table for him to do. That seems to keep him pretty happy. And then here on this side is I have a book thing. I don't have too many books in it right now because I just switched out all of our books since it's November 1st. I took out all the Halloween books and I'm bringing out all the Thanksgiving books this week. On these 2 shelves I have my glow lamp, my essential oil thing, my globe, some Shakespeare books I just picked up at Ollie's and I'm really excited about. These are all of my Thanksgiving books that I have out already. I just need to put some in my little thing. And then these shelves are full of my Usborne books. So I am a consultant for Usborne Books and More. And because I'm a consultant, I get lots of books. So I started filling these bookshelves up with just my Usborne books. And I'm almost out of room. I'm going to have to do something with the bottom toddler stuff to make more room. This is my toddler's activity bins that I pull out during the week. They're working on colors. And then I also have like his little leapfrog thing and a little alphabet game back there. He likes to connect the alligators. Here is just some colored pencils and crayons and things. We have our trash can. I have to keep it up high because the 19-month-old wants to dig in it. We have our calendar. This is kind of a look at our schedule. And they're just magnetic so I can switch them out. Behind here is I have all the little cards. And then in here is just some toddler activities, and this one that I can pull from, and this is games for my older 2 boys. Over here in these little white bins is all of our arts and crafts and extra supplies, extra pencils, glue sticks, erasers, scissors, crayons, markers. And then this white shelving cubby thing is brand new. I just got this from, well, it's new to me. I just got this from my mother-in-law and I'm using it to house all of our paper. So on top I have our construction paper and some of our writing paper. The top shelf is doodle paper and I have some like the little pads that you get. Next is more of that like 2nd grade or 1st grade writing paper. The next one is actually just notebook paper, regular notebook paper. At the bottom, I have more of that primary grade writing paper, and then I have some like poster paper that they use for painting and drawing. And then this way, I have this little cart. The top part is full of our school supplies. They just pick this up and move it to the table. It does have a few crayons and markers that they use on it. The second one is just extra stuff they like to take and draw with. The bottom is extra art books, there's stencils in here, there's coloring books, sticker books, things that they like to mess with. Here I keep all of my sentence strips. We are studying anatomy this year, so I have up our bone poster for right now. Over here is our bulletin board with all of our kids' work from last week on it, and I switch that out weekly with their work, and I switch out the bulletin board about monthly or seasonally. There's a little poster that talks about what to do for math problems, our American flag. Here we have where we talk about the seasons, the weather. This is our table where we do school. This is our seasons and our weather. I have markers and more supplies on the table. I have my whiteboard, my board, our big teacher clock. I have my teacher planner that I keep here where I do all my planning. Then behind me, I have, this is where I keep all the kids' work for the week. Whatever we're working on, so like here's all their stuff for reading, here's some posters, some work cards, our geography stuff, our music stuff, some phonics and some more phonics stuff. And then here is mainly my stuff. that I don't know what to do with. Like I have a little chart that I can use. This is full of like my pencils, sight word cards, different flashcards. Here is different teacher supplies, cards, games, pens and pencils, more flashcards and games. These are all my teacher manuals at the bottom for the school year. There is their tablets. They do charge right here, so I just put them on the shelf. So here is my board, and you can see it has all my stuff in it for our geography where we're studying Connecticut, which we have got to finish up. Here is just big books that I've been using. Some are from the library, some are just like our poetry books and things that I pull from throughout the weeks. Over here is my actual things we're learning this week. We're going to be studying fiction and nonfiction. We're going to be doing spiders. So I have my spider books and our anchor chart already ready for Monday. And then over here on the walls, you can see I have a ton of posters from our Rooted in Reading curriculum that we're doing for reading. My number line, I have a computer over here where my kids can do some of their school, some of the programs that we use. And then over here in this area, on this side, I have my little teacher toolbox box with all my supplies. And then this is full of different things that I use mainly for me. My laminator, my hot glue gun, stickers, Velcro, my things for my binding machine, just different teacher resources. On this side, I'm going to do a video on this actually today and get it up because I just changed it out for November 1st. And what it is my quiet time bins for my boys. So each one of these has different activities in it that they can do for quiet time or when they can't be on like their tablets or on the TV. And then over here, I have our deep freezer in here, but I do use it as a magnetic thing for my toddler. He does have a big toy bin here full of toys. And it's like all these are full of different little toys for him. This is a little toy thing for him with some puzzles in it. And then I have my file cabinet. Our dojo store is on top. And then over here I have my computer. This is my workspace. These hold math and reading activity games. My workspace, our help on phonics is up here. Some of these are like some extra school books I have. This is all full of different school books that I have and resources like first grade, second grade, history, science, more history, science. And over here is a mixed match of just different workbooks that I have from teaching. Up here is all like little toddler school resources for sensory bins, more toddler resources, some books I want to read with my boys, geography resources, and art and music resources. And I think that is pretty much, here I have my map, my son's sight words. This is a little alphabet thing I let my toddler play with. And then here is full of just different resources and things for them, index cards, paints and stamps, sensory bin items, craft, and craft. And that's pretty much my whole classroom. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.